Hey guys, welcome. First of all, I would like to thank all the support and the comments after yesterday's video. Yes, it was a huge massacre and carnage by blowing those accounts. But first of all, let me add one more information. I know I said it in the video, but out of the 6 accounts, I only lost 4. And 2 of those lost accounts were YOLO'd last Friday. So it was basically a gambling account. But I do feel sorry for the 2 Apex accounts that I was working for over a month. I still left with my funded futures and the Bulenox account. My funded futures is actually untouched. It's survived. So I was only trading today on that one because I just need to refresh my mind. So only one only one account for today being traded. And I'm gonna start new evaluations, and I'm gonna add those to the daily recap because I think I should go with more than 1 or 2 evaluation accounts, because that's the goal, to prove that we can get to being funded with micros. But today I'm gonna actually show you I made $175 on the My Funded Futures account. Started from 51,718 and now at 51,893. So still on the track being funded. This account is actually I'm gonna do a separate recap of this account, because I was 95% of the time I was only traded with micros on this one, and the trades that I did with minis didn't really affect anything on this account. So this was traded with micros. It's 1 month old. So after 1 month, which is actually 4 trading weeks, trading with micros and having losing days as well, I'm up almost $2,000 on this account. I'm going to continue the way like this. The goal is to get this to being funded with micros, with small steps, by not losing it. And we're moving on. And I'm really grateful for you guys, for everything, every comment, the support. Everyone is awesome, and I'm looking forward to continue the streams and share every information, and will be transparent with you guys. I always have been. So that's it. And by the way, today is still some very good, I have to say this because it helps out the stream, because I didn't take out funded payouts. So if you can help out the stream, just use my codes. Very good sales going on with Apex, with Bulenox, and my funded futures 30% down with my code from the starter account only in this month. So anyway, I said what I wanted. Thank you so much for the support. $175 for 1 account. It's a good profit with micros. All right. And by the way, just a short recap. The trade was actually a long position in the London stream. You guys could have seen this. I took this live on the stream, and after that I was what did I do? I was actually scalping with micros, but only with micros here after the market open. Yeah, here. Anyway, doesn't even matter. The thing is that risk management is the key to survive these markets, and I did a very big mistake yesterday with risk management. And anyway, long story short, thank you for the support, and see you guys in the live streams.